Okay, so let's look at the standard deviation here. So here's your dead rooms, the probability. Alright. So to get the mean, you have to take x times p of x. And I'm going to, let's see if I can. I'm going to add a row above so we can see this a little bit better. So we're going to do x times p of x, which is the probability. That's the first step to get the mean. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that down. Okay, and the sum of this is going to be the mean. So your mean is 4.11. I'm just going to write that below it. Okay, now we want to do the standard deviation. And sometimes with the homework, it will count off if it is not rounded exactly how the problem is requiring it to be. So we've already done this part. I'm going to skip on down. So the variance, we have to find the variance first. So we're going to take each value and subtract the mean and square it, and then times it by the probability. So let's do x minus the mean, and let's square that. I'm just going to put it to the second. Alright, so here's x minus the mean, and then we're going to square that. Okay, now copy that down. Okay, so what I need to do up here is put 4.11 and then copy that down. Alright, now so they did round to 3 decimal places here, so on mine I'm going to round to 3 decimal places. Alright, now we need to times this by the probability. So we're doing x minus the mean times I'm just going to put times p, which means the probability. So we're doing what we just got times the probability. Okay, now we're going to copy that down, and I'm pretty sure that we're going to round to 3 decimal places again. And it looks like what they did is they took these two, multiplied it together, and they didn't round here. So let's just look and see if we do that. And we have to sum. So we're going to do the sum of this. Let me try it again. The sum of, and I need to, let me pause it for a second and see if I can figure out what I did. Equals the sum of these. Alright, there we go. Alright, so that is the variance. And then the standard deviation will be the square root of this value. Okay, let's see if that is right, 0.842. Okay, so we're off a little bit, so let's see, oh no, 0.847, I just typed it in wrong. 0.847 is the correct answer. So maybe just use this to follow it step by step, and I'll save it and send it to you, and you just let me know if you have any more questions.